1, 2, 3, go.
I lose.
Oh, you assholes! You guys.
Oh no, this one's too slippery.
Yes, homo. That's what she said.
That's what she said.
You asshole! Oh, you. Oh.
I just messed up, dude.
This is an inside joke that I don't get.
Oh shit. Not slippery enough. That's what she said.
Oh.
Oh man. Not good for business. Not good for business at all.
What's up, Charlie?
Oh shit.
The asshole killed me too.
That's what she said.
Oh, you took all the weapons off. All right. Then why don't you just put on unlimited ammo for
Come here. Come here. Come here. Come on,
Harold, did you solve it?
Oh.
He's almost done. He's almost done.
Oh my gosh.
I don't know who's gonna win.
Fuck.
Oh my gosh, you solved it in less than a minute.
I got
I know
you.
this. I can do that like all the time.
Shit, I'm fumbling. Oh,
Okay, we believe in you.
Look at this. Ooh, pretty colors.
I love that flower, yo.
Ooh, let's do it. Behind the back. No. Behind the back? Yeah, behind the back. Let's do it.
Sean saw me. It took me like 10 minutes to do that shit with one hand.
No! I messed up!
I was like, no, this takes forever.
Did you give up?
no, I didn't give up.
I'm behind you, Ryan. They're behind this orange lip.
That's awesome. Okay.